My name is Chukwuemeka Nnaji. I own a commercial complex in Ikeja, Lagos, with retail shops and office spaces. About 15 years now. Commercial properties provide steady income and tend to appreciate faster than residential properties. I wanted to diversify my portfolio. Commercial tenants are more business focused, rent is higher, leases are longer, but expectations for professionalism and timely services are also higher. Tracking multiple tenants, rent schedules, managing security deposits, handling maintenance for multiple shops, and reconciling payments manually was overwhelming. Sometimes, yes, disagreements about rent, electricity, water bills, and maintenance responsibilities were common. I used Excel sheets and bank alerts. It was tedious, especially with late payments or partial payments. One of my tenants recommended it. He said it helped manage multiple tenants efficiently. I was impressed with how easy it was to register tenants, set up lease agreements, and create payment schedules. Tenants receive automatic reminders, and I get notification when rent is paid. It has reduced late payment drastically. Tenants submit maintenance requests through the platform. I can track issues and assign vendors immediately, which keeps shops and offices in good condition. Yes, transparent payment records and clear lease agreement prevent most disagreements. I can check real-time dashboards for rent collection, occupancy, and maintenance status for anywhere, even while traveling. Absolutely, now I can forecast income, plan renovations, and make expansion decisions with accurate data. Very important, digital records of payment, lease, and agreements help enforce and maintain professionalism. Definitely, it's a game changer for managing multiple commercial tenants efficiently. It brings structure, transparency, and control to commercial property management in Nigeria. Invest in technology early. Managing multiple tenants manually is stressful, but with a platform like this, your business runs smoothly and tenants stay happy.